Good morning everyone, welcome back. Today is Tuesday and we are trying to get this video up to you before the opening of the market. As you can see, if we follow back up yesterday, we actually bounced off our little trend line that we drew. How funny is that? Sometimes that TA stuff works. We actually poked into the previous consolidation area right in this little sweet zone area. And then we literally bounced right off of the trend line and we're back into the support area. So right now, we just got outside of the Bollinger Band and back in. So this is showing you, hey, the selling stopped. Let's see if the buyers can get us back into the 21, which is right where our resistance and our last support was, which is at 41,750. I'm gonna say this now is officially our new resistance, so I'm gonna switch this to the red. The reason why I'm doing that is since the yellow 21 is under this range right here, as soon as price gets into this area, more than likely it's gonna have selling pressure come push it back down. If it can get above this area, then that's a sign of strength. But getting above 43,500 will also have selling pressure. So we have a lot of resistances above us. It's gonna take Bitcoin a little bit of time to get above these and then start continuing his path up with opening closes above the 21. So please be patient. Whoever did accumulate a position yesterday, just keep in mind that this can come back lower at any time. Be very, very smart with how you start taking your profits, even if you're just taking 10% off, 20% off, and keeping the rest in case to add more later. That's a good way to go about it. I would say this area right here between 40,800 and 41,500 is a good area for you to start considering to take some profit if we can get to that consolidation. And then please keep in mind the stop loss. We have our stop loss at 38,100 due to the fact that if it can get under that area, you're gonna see heavier selling. And then you're gonna see people actually open shorts. So that's gonna even be more selling pressure on top. Keep that all in mind. I'm gonna switch to the volume and look at that volume. The best time to buy was in that sweet area, and that proof is right there. You can see the heavy selling that occurred got probably a lot of people liquidated. Now, when you get liquidated, the market has to buy your position at that price. So you are basically forced to sell your position. Say you were a long and you're going this low with leverage, you got liquidated. Well, the long will instantly sell at that price, and then that's why you see this quick reaction, this quick bounce. They call it a relief rally, but it's basically people who are thinking it's a good time to enter, as well as shorts that are closing their positions. So when you close your short, you're instantly buying. And that's what's causing this market to come up like that. All right, let's go turn all these indicators off and go to the daily. Bitcoin on the daily, once again, like I said, we beautifully bounced off this consolidation area. You can see that. Some people might look at this as a head and shoulders formation, like a head and shoulder, or some people might even look at this as an inverse head and shoulder. All right, there's measured moves to be made out of both of those. That's not gonna work out. I'm gonna just ignore that measured move. I'm gonna turn on our indicators, our moving average, our Bollinger Bands, our EMA, and we are right now in a little bit of a pickle due to the fact that the daily closed outside this Bollinger Band. okay? And this daily just opened last night at 8 a.m. It's trying to go back in the Bollinger Band, but until today at 8 p.m., this is just for show. At 8 p.m. today, if this closes under this Bollinger Band, as soon as the 8:01, the new daily candle opens, it might have selling pressure come in. And you might have enough selling pressure come in on the new daily candle to fill this consolidation. And it might want to test all the way down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put one little marker right in this area. And we're going to see if price can actually get down here due to the daily candle being outside of the Bollinger Band in a trending mode. And we're going to make this a buy area, because that would be a nice area to accumulate a position with the stop loss right in this area. Now our lines are getting a little convoluted. We're getting a little bit of clutter on the chart. I can totally understand that. What I will do is I will remove nothing. We're gonna keep everything and try to bear with it. It's all gonna be very important in the future. So let's hold on to these levels and see how the day goes. Volume on the daily is also looking decent for the retracement. We're gonna have to see if this is gonna continue up or not, and then we're gonna have to wait all day to figure that out. So be patient. I think right now this relief rally that's going on the 4 hour, it might turn around and continue down as soon as 9:30 when the market opens. So please be patient, give it 4 hours, and then you'll see a better idea of what the price is trying to do. If by 12 o'clock we're not coming back up here in this range to consolidate and we're continuing to go lower, I would say it might continue further, and then tomorrow we'll have to reevaluate it. All right, we are looking at our Ethereum chart, 4 hour, and yesterday we drew these lines of support, stop loss, and we have another stop loss just in case. I think we had that one on a daily. Our sweet zone area is getting tapped right now. We are consolidating in this range. What can happen is something like going up here, coming back down here, up here, coming back down to hit our trend line like Bitcoin did, and then coming back up and about. Nothing is for certain. I would say just be patient. Right now, it's looking like the selling pressure is on as it is anyway. I'm gonna turn on the volume. Yeah, we are still selling. So like our Bitcoin chart hit our trend line, Ethereum is actually holding up a lot stronger than Bitcoin, it seems, at the moment. So keep that in mind. Ethereum might have more room to go, and Ethereum might be leading the path to show that, hey, the selling is not over. Because Bitcoin looks like it's relief rallying, but Ethereum looks like it's actually still waiting for the next drop. Let me turn on our indicators, our moving average and our EMAs. And right now we are under the 200, we are under the 21. Once the 21, if this 21 gets under the 200, you're gonna have another wave of selling pressure start. Turning on the Bollinger Bands, we are outside the Bollinger Band for yesterday, and then we did close back inside. We're trying to make our way to the 21 at 3,120. I would say if you did pick up an allocation yesterday at around 2,950, seeking to take some of that risk off of you around 3,100 and 3,150 would be smart, just in case this thing just shoots back down. You at least got some profit out, and then if it comes back down to your entry, you can always close your position near your entry, and you still will be up in profit due to the fact that you took some profit out before you had to come back at your entry and close. So be very patient about this. It looks like the selling is about to go to round 2. Here's our daily chart. Daily chart looks like we're on support. That's good. If the daily can actually close up and then start going towards the 21, which is at 31.75. If we can hold this area and close inside the Bollinger Band and continue buying areas stepping up, then we can say, hey, maybe Ethereum is done dropping and this could be a good reversal point. So I think today we're gonna have to be very patient, sit on our hands. If you didn't buy the blood yesterday, don't buy the excitement and euphoria today. Yesterday was a good day to get in. That's why we were all waiting patiently for that 4-hour candle close. Today might be a relief rally or another trap. I would say if you're looking for a position, you know the places where we entered yesterday. If you see a consolidation back into that range, feel free to enter. This would be a retracement, and as long as it doesn't go lower than it did yesterday, this retracement is healthy and could be a sign that, hey, it's time for a reversal and a move to the upside. So be patient, keep your eye on your chart. Don't forget to put your entry, exit, stop loss, and places to take profit down first before you even take the trade. That way, when the price rushes into that area, you're not shocked and looking like a deer with the headlights on. And aside from that, thank you guys for stopping by again. There's going to be additional videos coming out later today. Going to keep an eye out for if anyone puts another ticker or crypto they would like reviewed in the comments. And I'll also try to hit that video for today or tomorrow. Aside from that, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification for updates for this time-sensitive information when it comes out. Try not to panic. Be calm. Plan your trades out. And then I wish you guys the best of luck. Happy Tuesday, and I'll see you guys later today. If not, tomorrow for sure.